To create a relationship between two tables, I drag a common field from one table to the other. The relationship is indicated by a line connecting the two tables. One of the tables in a relationship often acts as a lookup table for the other. This usually occurs in one-to-many relationships in which the many table is retrieving specific information from a single record in the one table. For example, the stores table can act as a lookup table for the customer order tables, providing specific information about the store at which the customer made his or her purchase. In this case, data from the stores table is flowing toward the customer orders table. Diagram view indicates the direction of the data by adding an arrow icon to the connecting line, pointing in the direction of the data flow. I need to establish relationships between the four tables in the data model. All customer orders are in the customer orders detail table, but information about the store that handled that order are in the stores detail table. The common field in those two tables is the store ID field. Likewise, the products purchase table shares the common field order ID with the customer orders detail table, and the products detail table shares the common field item ID with the products purchase table. I will use these common fields to establish the table relationships. First, I adjust the position of these boxes. Drag this box in this position. Drag this box in this position. Drag this box in this position. And drag this box in this position. Resize this box. Drag store ID field name in the customer orders detail table box to cover the store ID field name in the stores detail table box. Power Pivot adds a connecting line between the customer orders detail table and the stores detail table. Now drag the order ID field name in the products purchased box to cover the order ID field name in the customer order detail box. Now drag the item ID field name in the products purchase detail box to cover the item ID field name in the products detail box. The relationships are established between common fields of the data tables. Now I have defined the table relationships. I am ready to analyze the customer order data, pulling information from any of the four tables in the data model. Close the Power Pivot window.